Almost there, don't bite it.
Alright. I fell in at the last second. Served me right for being the last.
Great. Alright, you need any stability or anything?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay. So we gotta get over this one. Ready? Okay, you go. You grab the tree.
Thanks.
Yeah, you bet. I got a video here.
Last but not least. It's fun once you're across, you know.
Yeah, I remember when I was a kid, I used to be a log roller. So I'll probably roll right into the logs.
He's asking for it.
Oh, I can't wait to swim right there. I'm going to. Oh, it's nice in the summer. It'd be nice right now, dude.
Get them flippers.
Jeez.
Just jump it.
Yeah, I can't we did. We went there. Oh, you went there? I grabbed onto the tree. I got a twisted up ankle back. Alright. Oh.